Look at this. Mom's birthday is in 2 days, so we've come kayaking here because she loves kayaking. So we're back at the burr of the pond, and we are here to do some kayaking, to go on the water and enjoy some time. There's very few people. For some reason, when the weather was terrible, there was a lot of people here. But now I only see 2 people. There's one person on a kayak and then one person on like a little not speedboat, just like a little motorized metal raft, you see? They're going off on the water. But yeah, the waters aren't very busy. I see someone super far away, but the weather is beautiful. I mean, it's a bit humid, but here there's a bit of a breeze. It's a lot nicer than at home, so I'm glad we came here. But we're just gonna go on the water, enjoy the weather, and enjoy the emptiness, I guess. Like, there's literally no one here. But yeah, this should be a lot of fun. I can't wait.
Not yet. Wow.
Widzisz jak daleko są? Hey. That's water. That's a kayak. We have our tactical life jackets on.
Nie, jaki w oceanie?
Can solo.
To się tu...
Mom is heading into the water. Look at her. I've got a POV shot going right now. Oh yeah. Are you gonna get in? You sure you're... Oh. She managed. Look at... Oh my god, that was... Nice job, Mom. Yeah. Oh man. Alright. Look at this, guys. I'm worried for my camera, but it's okay. We got waterproof shoes. Try to get in safely without falling. Ah. Oh yeah, let's go. Woo! We're in the water. We are in the water. Mom, hey! Man, it's a beautiful day out here. I'm slowly drifting into the swamp, but Tony and Dad are over there. Mom's over here. Man, what a beautiful day. Here, let's pull out this oar. I have to figure this out. I know you guys can't see what I'm doing, but there you go. We have it unhooked. I feel like I haven't been on this in a while. I have to learn this new. Okay, so 90 degrees. I watched some tip video. Alright, this is the optimal form. We're moving. We're on the way. I'm catching up to Mom. Wow, look at this. Mom's kayak is leaving like a wake. You see that? That's so cool. Look at this, open waters. Wow, this looks beautiful. There's like no waves at all, super calm waters. It's glittering from the sunlight. This is absolutely beautiful. Brag about it later. This is so cool. Get like a bumper sticker. I kayaked across Burr Pond. How amazing here. This is so cool. Wow. Look at this. Don't you love this, Mom? This is amazing. We're heading for the rock. Oh god, I'm about to hit Mom. No, we're fine. We're fine. Oh, Mom. There you go. This. Here, let's get a view of Dad. Handbrake turn. Oh. There's Dad. He's coming towards us. The Loch Ness Monster. You're taking on water? No way. I did not know you had Scottish origins, Dad. That's crazy. Here we go. Oh, yeah. Oh, we're gonna thread the needle between the kayaks. This is gonna be amazing. Right in between. Look at that. Mom's over there. Dad's off with Tony. This is gorgeous.
No, troszkę się uśmiecha teraz.
No co ty, cudownie.
Ale paruwa. Tylko słońce wyszło.
Oby leci jak jedna, co chwilę.
Troszkę chlapie, ale bardzo mało. No wtedy to ściekało cały czas.
Oh man, we haven't been here last time. Past the rock? Ooh. Yeah, we didn't go past the rock last time since it was our first time kayaking in like 10 years. About 10, yeah, 9, 10 years, something like that. Man, look at this. Okay, this is gorgeous. Look, we've got lily pads, we've got water foliage. Whew. Wow. Look at, oh, we got birds flying by. This is actually beautiful. This is so romantic. It's so beautiful, I'm in love with myself. Now that's how you know it's a truly romantic location. My God. Wow, here we'll just spin around just so I could show you guys. Wow, look at that. We got rocks over there. Here, I want to go this way. This looks interesting. I have my camera literally in my life jacket, so it's kind of difficult. Okay, okay. Dude, I'm an actual pilot. Look at this. Okay, we're gonna scoot right on next to this flower. Dude, this is impressive. This is some... Oh, ew, I just got a freaking... Oh! I got it, guys. I'll say happy birthday to Mom since it's like about to be her birthday. I'll give her this flower here. We'll put it down there for now. We did some flower picking. Oh God, look at this icky sludge. Oh wow. Pure peace and bliss. Oh wow, the sun is gone now, so it's a lot nicer weather. The sun makes it so much hotter. Mama, znalazłem coś dla ciebie. Da. Wow. No, znalazłem właśnie na lily pad, proszę. Whee! Idę dookoła. Look at this parking job, guys. Look at this. Oh man, dude, I have like the precision of a brain surgeon. I'm just so precise. Just hand me a scalpel and I'll go to work. That precision is immense. There you go. Uh-oh, uh-oh. Oh God, wrong way. It's fine. Oh, hey, Dad. Didn't see you here. Hey, Tony, how are we doing? You doing okay?
Oh, there you are.
You doing all right, Tony? Yeah, you happy? A little bit. Man, look at this. We haven't gone this far before. This is like way further. Oh man, there's like a little sticking out bit right there. So basically this lake is shaped like an 8 shape, you know? It's like 2 lakes converged into one. And I kind of want to travel across the whole thing. What? Oh my God, that. I thought that was the other side of the lake. That's an island. Look, the lake goes beyond the island. Look at this, it's like a little cove. Isn't this cool? Dude, we're actually on like an adventure right now. This is an actual like whole new place. I'm not sure if I'm allowed to be here, but nobody told me I wasn't, so I'm going here. This is so cool. What? It's like a secret river? Here. Dude, if I fly off a waterfall, then it's a secret little river. What? Dude. Whoa. Whoa. It's like a little secret area. Look what we found. Okay, oh God. Am I gonna run aground? I hope not. Oh, I'm about to run aground. Oh, no. Oh, God. Here, we'll push off this. Jesus. Hey, Mom. This is cool, right? Oh, man. Let's go. Wow. Okay, here. I want to go around this way. Oh, this is gorgeous. Wow, okay, that was pretty sick. And then this way. My God. Shouldn't have worked out so much yesterday. My God. Okay. We're good though. We're going. Look at him. Just swimming on by. We're going closer to the beach. I want to see what these weirdos are doing. That's weird. Look at this. There's the beach. Man, water is so cool. Alright guys, big problem. I was just talking on the phone with my girlfriend in the middle of a lake. My parents left me. They're at shore, so I kind of have to catch up to them. We gotta go quick. Here, we gotta actually try this time. Go. 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 Come on. We're going turbo mode. We're activating the afterburners. We're going after them. I'm currently doing a PR. I almost just fell out of the boat. That was actually really close. Kayaking is definitely a good workout. Oh, no, no, no. Oh, that's a big rock. I just ran aground bad. That's a big rock. Help me out of here, Dad. Thank you. Jesus. Whoa. Oh my God. Oh wow. Oh God. Whoa. Whoa. Alright guys, so we just had an interesting kayaking experience. The second I left the kayak, I began popping and locking. I just started going crazy. My leg, I was boogieing, I was grooving on the dance floor. But anyway, I'm not sure what happened. My leg fell asleep, so for some reason, my leg just, like my knee started locking like crazy. That was insane. That was like a whole boogie. That was like my new dance move, you know? That was crazy. Next time I go to a party or a club or something like that, oof, you better watch out, cause I'm gonna be doing something, you know what I mean? Okay, we're in the McDonald's drive-thru. We're getting some soft serve ice cream. McDonald's has some great soft serve ice cream. The clearance is 9 feet, and I think we're just gonna make it. We just made it. There we go. Dad just bought his new waterproof case. Plastic wrap. Nice. Wait, that actually works? You can use the touchscreen through that?
Sure.
How?
Oh no!
Wow.
Jak on to wszystko robi, nie?
Ice cream. Oh yeah, you like it, Tony?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, he does. Mom enjoying it? Nice. Awesome.
Dobra, idziemy z tym, czy co? Do stołu?
Sure. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear mama. Happy birthday to you. Dosiu, chodź, szybko.
Chodź do mnie, Tosiu.
A, czekaj, jeszcze nie.
Was jeszcze nie dmuchaj.
Wow.
Okej. 3. Pomyśleć marzenie. 4. Pięknie.
Brawo.
Tutaj, tam było dobrze.
We're at the cove, guys. Just enjoying Mom's birthday. It's her official birthday today.
Let's go in the water.
Yeah, Mom loves the water, so she wanted to come here for a little bit. So.
Conrad is swimming.
Go. Deeper than this water. I can swim on this.
No, powoli coś mi tam idzie. Mogę, I can do breaststroke a bit now. For the most part, like under the water, the breaststroke. So we're having progress. The problem is I started freestyle swimming immediately, which didn't work out. You have to start off with the breaststroke. Well, you have to tread water, and then finally you move on to like basic freestyle. I'm trying to do that. I have a lifeguard friend. they're a lifeguard, so they've got like pretty good swimming technique, and they're giving me tips and stuff like that on how to swim well, how to do all of that stuff. So I think it's working out pretty good so far.
With the water.
Splashing.
Splash away.
Tony's building a sandcastle. He's about to destroy it though. Nice, Tony. The builder and the destroyer. My God. Where are you going, Tony?
Backward.
I can see that. Don't choke.